one of the most important questions that all traders ask themselves. Should this be a career for me? Should this be something I go deep into, or should I actually just quit and give up because it is not for me? So the first question you should ask yourself is, do you know your personality? There is a trading style for your specific personality. There is no secret trading style, but there is one that is just for you. You will manage well. Almost every trading strategy that is out there on YouTube and any body of knowledge that's easily researchable has been out there for at least over a decade. There isn't a new trading strategy that has been created over the last decade to 15 years. So therefore, finding the strategies and the style that suits you is the most important. It is a strategy which your personality will not deviate from the risk management rules you have in place because it is something that suits your personality. And how do you do this? The first thing you should actually do is to do a simple personality test like the ocean test. Once you have the results, put it through AI, ask a simple question. Am I a deep thinker, or am I someone who prefers fast pattern recognition? That single question will actually determine the timeframes you trade, the type of trades you take, and even the type of instruments you trade. Second question you should ask yourself. Now you have your ocean test. Now you have your personality. Now you have some insight into whether you're a deep analytical thinker or whether you are a fast pattern recognizer. Once you have that, you should ask yourself, are the current set of strategies that I have suited my personality? Am I trading instruments that suit my personality? People who are very deep analytical thinkers may like to trade equities more, may like to trade derivatives a lot more. People who are fast pattern recognizers may like to trade fast moving markets like futures a lot more. Day trading equities, things like maybe day trading small cap equities may be something which fast pattern recognizers love to trade a lot more. And these are things you should really ask yourself. Are they strategies that suit my personality? Because if they're not, you are actually contradicting yourself and you will not actually obey your own risk management rules. And thus you will sabotage your own chance of success. The next thing you need to do is to ask, do the statistics support what I am doing right now? A lot of people adopt strategies and keep strategies that don't actually support what they do. Maybe they had one good experience or two good experiences with that strategy. But then on the overall, that strategy has not actually had a positive return for them on the overall. A good example would be trading biotech stocks on an intraday basis may have netted them some good P&L on 1 or 2 days, but the overall stats may say, you're not a good biotech stock trader, stop doing it. You're better at maybe say trading large cap equities on a swing trading basis. Therefore, you should take a hard look at the statistics, take a hard look at the numbers, cut off the trading strategies or see them as business lines that you should cut off that will give yourself a higher chance of success. Sometimes by just cutting off the things that are actually losing you money may actually be the very answer you're looking for and may turn you into the profitable trader that you're looking to become. Fourth question you should ask yourself now, have you given yourself enough reps in the strategies that you're testing? A lot of people have 3, 4, 5 good trades in one particular strategy and they say, this is for me. You can't really tell if a strategy is for you or if something is worth keeping in your statistical inventory unless you have taken at least 30 to 50 trades of that particular strategy and that particular style. And then from there, you can then decide if this strategy and the statistics are rooting for you and in your favor, or if they are not. Then the last question you want to ask yourself is, for the strategies that have shown promise and clearly suit my personality, have I given myself the right set of tools and the right set of improvements to make so that I can optimize the existing strategies that I have and get better at them? Every strategy has a certain expected value that will be created from it. And you do that by giving yourself the right tools for execution, the right tools for analysis, as well as the right tools to help yourself improve and execute those trades better so that you don't miss those trades that work for you. So this is a very important piece to ask yourself. Have you actually given yourself a fair chance with the right tools to actually execute those strategies that suit you best? In some, there is a perfect set of strategies for every type of personality. Just look across the world, a lot of the market wizards, a lot of the people who have done very well in trading, many of them have different personalities from each other, different styles from each other. Some of them are longer term deep thinkers, people like Warren Buffett, so on and so forth. They do value investing. They analyze, they think deeply about whether they want to invest in. Take a trade, they take 1 or 2 trades a year. Then you have people who have done very well also from, say, a systematic fundamental perspective. People like, say, Stevie Cohen of Point 72. He was a great day trader. Eventually, he moved into longer term timeframes. He's also a deep thinker, but he also fast pattern recognition. And then you have many, many other personalities, people like Jim Simmons at the quantitative world in finance or trading. They have a different personality and different trading style, and they have done very well with that. There is a different style for everyone. Don't try to be someone else in trading. Trading is a game where you need to ask yourself honestly who you are, be honest with that above all things. Don't try to be anyone else. And when you ask that question honestly about who you are, the type of person you are, and your strengths, you will find the things that suit you best. And after you have looked at that, then you can seriously ask the question, is trading really something for me, or is it not?